Well, a year-and-a-half-long battle is now over at Mercy Health, with nurses moving forward to unionize.
And as our Angeline McCall tells us, the votes come ahead of a planned merger in the future.
Mercy Health's 2 campuses in Muskegon are merging into one tower, and previously those 2 separate campuses were represented by 2 different unions for the nurses. That is, until now.
The decision was only separated by about 40 votes at Mercy Health, but in the end, nurses voted to be under SEIU Healthcare Michigan, which according to them has more pull in federal legislation and in Congress.
But we're going to have a stronger voice. We're going to have a lot stronger voice.
The 3 nurses we spoke to say they feel the vote was prompted by the conditions of the SEIU contract, in particular with limiting how much staff can work back-to-back in mandated shifts.
It's not for an emergency, which is what mandation is intended for. It is a daily staffing tool.
Currently, they describe in some cases nurses being forced to work 16-hour shifts, then repeat the next day.
It is burning the nurses out. People that love their jobs are just exhausted. We've had nurses breaking down crying that have been there 20, 30 years.
Their other major concern is a growing patient-to-staff ratio on inpatient floors, especially in the ICU.
Our staffing ratios are being affected as well, which all attributes to patient safety and care. So we are doing our best, and we always put our patients first, but they're challenging us.
With experts predicting a second wave, they hope the new contract will safeguard PPE and other supplies to protect staff, and are optimistic it will alleviate some of the most challenging parts of their job.
I'm incredibly optimistic. I think we've got some great nurses from the Hackley campus that are going to join us, and they're very strong. And they have the same expectations from management. So whereas the hospital used to be able to play us against each other, so to say, we're now going to be one united front.
We did reach out to Mercy Health to ask what their reaction is to this vote, and they said that they wouldn't do an interview until the voting was certified by the board, but they did add that they look forward to working with the union selected to represent the nurses. Reporting in Grand Rapids, Angeline McCall, Fox 17 News.